What's up, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, the last video I did was on John Teresi's man cave, his model room, his trophy collection. uh, and that video did pretty well. And after that, I haven't done a video for quite some time. So it's been about almost 3 weeks, I'm thinking, but life has been hectic around here with the puppy, which is coming along pretty good. He is a little turd for sure, but he's learning. So I mean, I'm always on top of that. So I want a good dog when he grows up. So I apologize for not having videos out. So Christmas is coming around, and Mrs. Hobby Spot wants me to put, she wanted me to put all the Christmas lights up around the house, and that took a long time. So there's a lot of lights here. In the podcast, I said Santa crapped on our house, and yeah, I did for sure. But I've had that going on. I've had the grandsons, of course, so I haven't really had a lot of build time. Usually I like to put in build time every single day on or in this shop. So, but we did get a new 3D printer. We did get the Mighty 8K this time by Frozen. So I have a Mini 8K by Frozen and a Mighty 8K. And if that one does well, maybe I'll buy another Mighty 8K. We'll see. I have not set it up yet. Again, I haven't had the time. It's mostly like I'm collecting things around here. So, but we did go to Andy's yesterday. So I spent a little money at Andy's, and we did our Christmas meeting at Brian's house, BG's house yesterday. So we did a gift exchange, and I have my kit for the year. It so happens that I drew a kit, and my buddy Mark, a good buddy of mine, Mark, says he drew a kit, and he said, well, I have like a bunch of these kits, and he had a bunch of those same kits, and I've never built what he's drawn before, and he actually liked what I drew. So we did a little change again this year. I mean, I would have built the Fireball 500 is what I drew, because I started getting some pretty cool ideas for that thing. And then when he showed me what he drew, I was like, wow, I think I can do a lot with that. And he was like mine, so we just switched. But it doesn't matter. So let's turn this camera around and see what we got at Andy's. And I'm going to show you a little bit of what I did on the 55, because I did get a little bit done, and the direction we're going with this. So let's take a look at what's going on in the shop lately. All right, guys, come with me. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. So what I originally went there for is because I'm painting my 1955 Ford USAC build, and I ran out of X10, the gunmetal gray stuff. So I ran out of that, so I didn't buy just one. I bought the big one, and it's a common paint to use, so I did buy two. So I bought two of those. And of course, every time I go there, I always buy some sort of L-clad. So I bought some chrome, some more chrome. Everybody uses chrome. And I bought some polished aluminum. And I bought some Dura aluminum. These are some that I use a lot. So I went there for that. But then I ended up, you know, when you go somewhere, you always end up buying other stuff. So what I did buy, because I've been wanting this, and I think Germany, for what Germany Revell, I think they put out better decals, in my opinion. I think their decal sheets are expanded. I think they're better sometimes. So I like to pick certain kits up in the Revell Germany pack. So what I did was I picked up this one. It's the 68 Chevelle. I've been looking at this. I don't know if it's the box art, what gets me all the time, or what, but I've been wanting this kit for some time. Ever since this kit got released. I I've been wanting to buy this. So, and I really want to put this thing together because this is like one of my favorite Chevelles. And I want to just knock this one out of the park. So I haven't built a Chevelle in a long time. So this might be coming up. And who knows, I might even light it up because I really like this car. So I bought this one. And last time I was in there, I was going to buy this kit. But I got preoccupied talking to Andy and Matt and all the guys. So, and I forgot to pick it up. So I went and I love building kits like this. These new kits are awesome. And I picked this one up. This BMW is pretty cool. So it's the 320i E46. It's the Super Production DTCC 2001 winner. And I think this would be a kind of a cool build. So I did buy this kit. I think this is a curbside. It's probably a curbside. So, but who cares? I like building stuff like this sometimes. So I bought this one. And I was there last week. Well, yeah, let's look at the kits first. But I was there last week, and before these kits disappeared, I wanted to buy a couple of them. So I bought a 61 Ranchero because I have ideas that I want to kind of do some cool stuff. So I bought this kit, and I have a Ranchero. Mine's a 64. It's a little different than this, but I do like these Rancheros. I like these little Rancheros. They're kind of cool. So I did buy this, and I bought another one. So I did buy two of them. Probably could never have too many Rancheros. I had two in my garage for a while, so real ones. So anyway, I bought that, and I wanted to buy these before they went away forever again. I did buy the LA chopper, but I wanted to buy this, and I'll see if I can get it on screen here. So here you go, the Evil Iron, the trike. So I had to buy one of them before they disappeared. But yeah, that's what I bought for kits. And then I bought his cutters. And these, I'm telling you, go to Andy's Hobby headquarters online and buy these things. And I bought God Hands, I bought Tamiya's, I bought, you name it. I've been searching for the best cutters for a long time, and I've been building models a long time. These are the best snippers I've ever used. So if you guys are wanting to spend a little bit of money and buy a set of snippers for $40, $39, you guys, he's got two different ones, but I suggest this one. Awesome. They're the best. They cut straight, and they cut like butter. I'm in like shock how good these things work. And I used it there before I bought it because I wasn't sure if I was going to buy it. But I had to. You guys don't want to look at my mess here, do you? So I had to buy those. So let me see here. What else did I buy? I bought Andy's airbrush. This comes with 3 different needle sizes. So you get I think it's the 0.3, the 0.4, the 0.5. This is a deal, man. I think it's a Iwata knockoff maybe, but man, for that kind of money, $32, man, you get a nice airbrush. So, and maybe I'll do a review on it. I know he's been spraying out of it. He's a friend of mine. He said it sprayed really well. So yeah, that's awesome. So after that, this is a new phone that I'm using. So after that, I went. We had a gift exchange, and at our group, and I drew the Fireball 500. And a buddy of mine, Mark Hubbard, drew the 49 Ford AMT version. And I've never built that. And he actually liked the Fireball 500. And I started getting ideas. I think I mentioned this in the beginning of the video. And I was going to build it. And then he came over and said, hey, that's a good kit. And he told me what he got. And he said, I have a bunch of these already. So I said, well, let's swap. You know, I don't mind. So we swapped, kind of like I did with BG. But BG actually saved me last year. So thank you, BG. But I drew this one right here. I drew this. So I think it's going to be kind of a cool build. I have some ideas for it. And now the wife's actually wanting to swap me for her. So I don't know. Maybe we'll swap again. I don't know. It's up to her. She enjoyed building the last Merc she had. But so I think this is what we're going to be building for the Christmas group build, unless she wants to swap for the 56 Chevy that she drew. She drew the Del Rey. So either or, they'll both be good builds. So then I seen Joel there from Iceman Resins, Iceman Collections, and he had the Hemi 426. And he also had the other one, the dual carb. So we can do a review on these at some point. But yeah, so we'll get some more videos out. Don't forget to check out our Spotify podcast, the Scale Model Car channel. And that seems to be doing well. I'm trying to think of, I told you I bought a new 3D printer. That I did tell you. So also, let me show you guys something. The 55 Ford pickup. I want to show you guys what I've done to it so far and the direction I'm going with the colors. So we'll go ahead and look at that right now. And that's right here. I chose to use, I didn't use scale finishes this time, guys. I used Tropical Glitz, Tangy Tangerine. Okay, so we'll show you what that sprayed like. And I thought it was pretty good stuff too, so that's the color we're gonna go for on the truck. And once I get clear on it, of course, it's gonna look good. So I molded all of this in, so it's gonna be no front bumper. It might have a rear bumper. So I went ahead and took care of that gas cap behind here because I'm gonna have a fuel cell in the back. The hood, I cut it out because it's gonna have a bigger motor in it. So, and I went ahead and did all the bottom stuff to it, so that kind of looks nice now. The interior tub underneath the bottom, it's going to be the same color. And I cut the frame. I cut the bed frame and I notched it so I can get this in here. And that's where the panhard bars and stuff like that, and the rear end's going to go on that. So I grafted a Hobbyworks frame to the original frame. And none of this stuff has been clear coated. So that's going to go in there. It's going to have gray accents. So the front grille, I went ahead and 3D printed me a grill because this kit didn't have the V8 emblem on there. And I thought that was kind of cool. So, and that's going to be the same color as all the accent stuff. The bumpers are accented the same color. Basically all I'm almost using out of this is the body and the chassis, so, or the body and the pan. So here's the accent colors on the bumpers. I did a front bumper on accident, but that's okay. The fenders, and again, it's got no clear on it. I had to cut those out, so So I went ahead and made my own tailgate on this. So here's the original tailgate, which I painted it just in case I've changed my mind. And this is the one that I printed myself. So I'm liking this one a little better. So I use that. I'm using a 3D printed motor, 427 camera motor. And here it is. I'm doing it the same color as the body. And there's the front of the bed. What else do we have here? The rear end I made myself. It's I 3D printed it, but it's still Hobbyworks rear end. Goes with that back section that I had. So, and he's pretty good, that guy. So, the guy that designed this, Miguel, I think his name is. And the dash will be the same color. I wanted to get some clear on this today, but it's a little dirty. I have to clean it up. Here's the front of the motor, and I got to do some painting on there too. So, but that's pretty much what's been going on in this shop. So I haven't got a lot done. I've been doing a lot more buying than building, that's for sure. This build's kind of really interesting me, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this one out. Try to knock it out in the next couple of weeks, I'm hoping. So anyway, I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do, and I really appreciate it, guys. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and cut this video off and tell everyone happy holidays. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell for further notifications, and go visit Iceman Collections, man. Sign up for his newsletter, and you guys will see stuff like this in there. Maybe he'll have specials, deals, or whatever. Hobbyworks is another one. I would check his files out. That guy's pretty good. Scale Speed Garage, make sure you guys check them out. Hey, check out Tropical Glitz, man. If you guys want to further your painting, Scale Finishes is, in my opinion, they're on the same level as Tropical Glitz. So check all them out, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. You guys take care. Have a great week, and see you on the next one, guys. Bye now.